guys, today we're going to be doing another video, and today's video is going to be fixing this Starbucks slime. Yeah, I've already fixed it a little bit, but still needs more fixing. And I didn't film that because my camera wasn't charged, so I did put the glitter on top of it, if you can see. Oh, okay, let's get this out. I accidentally put black glitter in, but it's so slimy. Look at my hand. It's so glittery. Let's move that. Move the glue. Let's dump this out. Got all the glitter off my hands. Okay, let's put this over here. I've got a drink in the way, by the way. Right, I need to put my sleeves up because it's very slimy. So I have black, silver, and green glitter. It's like a mint green and it's weird. I'm gonna try to get all the glitter off my hands first. I'm just gonna go and wash them actually. I'll be back. And we're gonna be fixing 2 slimes, I think, if you have time. I'm back. So, what can we do to this slime? Looks drippy. So, I'm gonna put some glue all in. Maybe, so glue all it is. Oh, glitter falling. Ow. Couple of drops in. Just gonna put like that much in. By the end of this video, I'm gonna try and make it into a homemade. Okay, let's mix. Gosh, very glittery. Move them back. Alright, I need the stool. No, maybe just a suitcase will do. Suitcase. I'm gonna see suitcase. Okay, I'm perfect. Wait. Okay. I don't think we'll have time. I think we will have time to do another slime, but we need to fix this one first. Oh my god, look at all the glue there. Can't really see on camera, but it's like white. Oh, at the bottom. To fix this. I had some hand sanitizer, but I don't know why. I know it will help because it only melts slime. I'm only gonna put a little. body spray. I think it's like hair. It's like just like a spray, so I'm guessing it will work. Only a couple of sprays. Don't need too many. It will give it a nice scent. It really has a strawberry scent, so I'm scared. Never actually tried it, but I think it does. So good. That's weird. Very jiggly, but stretchy. It's jiggly and stretchy slime. It's like a really thick slime as well. Really thick and jiggly. It's not really thick. I don't really know what it is. I need something. Whoa, that wasn't my hair. Gross. I can't get it open. Sorry, this is taking so long. I just need it. So I need to do something with it. I'm hungry. I'm not. Anything's really dancing. Get off. I'm hungry. I think I need some stronger one. This one's stronger. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. That was probably enough. But let me break a piece off. Look how stretchy it is. Right. Wait. 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 So stretchy though. Wasn't that stretchy when I got it? I think I did a video when I got it. I don't know. I don't not like the color. Look my gingy winch. Don't I touch it? Really nice. Come on then. Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Good place for you. The cutest, the snuggliest place in the world. We don't need that. All that. Your Betty. You wanna go in bed? It's in a pram. Don't mind it. It's in a pram. Purring. You wanna see, guys? can see a little, but it's really cute because it's in prom. It's okay. It's in a prom. It's cute. 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 It smells so nice in here. I think this is it for this one. I think I want a little bit of more glitter. I'm going to put some more green in because I can't see the green. That will be enough, I think. Wait. This is the green one I was putting in. Looks different on the camera, but it's nearly the same. I'm going to get a little bit out and get this glitter off my hands. What colour is that? My cat. My cat's got change. It was my surprise, okay? It was a lost cat. Sad. It was a lost cat on the road. I was like, ah, Daddy, can you take it home? I was like, okay. Oh, I'm a drink. Anyways, another shout out. I don't normally give shout out, but okay, that's this one. Today's shout out goes to Gracie and Anna again, because they love my videos and they cried. Turn on the notifications. Anyways, maybe you can do that and you'll get a shout out in the next video. And all you have to do is like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. There's something in my slime. It's like white. I don't know what it is. Ew. It's gross. I don't know why it's in the bin now. That is so gross. Okay. That's this one. And then the next one. Why did I not shut my door? Here. Now this slime used to be really nice. Like sticky. What happened? Don't know really what happened to this slime. It used to be really nice. Don't know what happened to it. Blue with foam balls in and it's all like sticky. Let me just give this a mix really quick. Okay, it's mixed. I don't know what's inside this. I think it's just like really it's like really watery. I don't know what's really happening. I love this slime. I don't know why it's doing this, so I'm going to add some glue all into it. Hopefully that makes it better. Because, I don't know. I ran out of activator. I time using glue all up. Don't know what that was, but hopefully this is making it a little bit better. Don't know. Hopefully, I'm so sad if this doesn't form back. I'm gonna be so sad. It's getting better. Now it's getting better. It's getting better, guys! If I fix this, this is gonna be like a miracle. Any more? I need a lot more. Well, I need more. Not a lot, but I need if I just take the top off. I can't be bothered to. Just do it in my teeth. Only a little bit because I don't want too much. So hard, I don't know why. That should be it. Oh yeah. A lot more easy. Need more. So tiring. It's really thick. Don't even count. Oh, it's so sticky. Don't even stretch. Not better. Just staying the same. What can I do? I have no activator. I have no shaving cream. Soap. Let's get a little bit of soap. And I'll wash my hands right now. Okay, that's enough. Is it not? Because I never tried. Please look. Please don't melt it. I feel like this is gonna melt the slime. It's definitely gonna melt the slime now. I should have used this in the other one now. Oh, guys, it's melting, I think. Is it just how salt mixes in? Please don't melt. Please, please, please. I don't have any activator. No. Don't know if it's just the foam balls that's in. This is probably going to melt. Let me touch it. It's the same. It's really like this. It's stretchy. But it's just like stringy. And I don't like it. It's just like not mixing in that well. Maybe some glitter will help. This one, and this one. So I'm going to put only a little bit of black because it shows up really easily. Okay, that's enough. Green, that's enough. And then silver, that's enough. I'll do it the same amount. Oh, good. I don't know why you just put the glitter in that. I just want you to. Just want you to. Come over mixing. Stop. Did you wash your hands with soap? Did you dry them? Is this all vegetables? Comment down below what's it of, because it's of Incredibles or what. It's pretty easy if you watch them both. Well, you just have to see. And I'll tell you at the end of the video. So I think I'm going to end this video soon. I'm going to do part 2. So I think it's getting better as I mix more. It's less sticky, kind of. Sleep mixing. It's been like 2 hours now of just mixing. This video is just a waste. This is just a waste. It's getting better as I mix. Only as I mix though. This is a good way to mix. Let me get the like that. It's getting off the tub now. I think that's good. Does this not help? Should I put more? Put that over there. I don't need that anymore. I need to keep on mixing. It's sticking to the spoon now. I'll leave it out sometime in this video. just like coloring it up. Trying to. Okay, I'm gonna just do it in the next video. Because my arm is super tight. Oh. And my gums are bleeding, I think. I have bit my cheek and I think it's bleeding. So, then another 2 hours just spending trying to edit later on. Okay, that's it for this video. I thank you. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, smash that like button. I'll see you. Pardon me. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.